How to add captions on Instagram Reels. Want to make your Instagram Reels more engaging and accessible? Adding captions is the way to go. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add captions to your Instagram Reels step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Select Reel from the options and either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. Once your video is ready, tap the preview button. Look for the captions sticker icon at the top of the screen and tap it. Instagram will automatically transcribe the audio from your video. You can edit any mistakes by tapping the text. You can also change the font, color, and style to match your Reel's vibe. When you're happy with the captions, tap Done and then Next. Add your caption, hashtags, and share your Reel with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully added captions to your Instagram Reel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.